Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. I have here a beef steak. Look at here, very yummy and healthy beef steak. First, you have to marinate the beef with soy sauce. It depends on your taste. I added my beef 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce with black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, and paprika powder added all together, and a minced onions and garlic I added in my marinated beef, and I added a lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. So I added in my mixture of my marinated sauce for the beef. Then keep it for 1 hour. Then after that, you have to put in the pan together with the sauce and cook it in a medium heat until the beef is cooked. So in order to cook your beef very quick and very fast, just cook it in the pressure cooker. So in 20 minutes, your beef is already soft and tender. And then when it is already cooked, add cooking oil. I added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I added my carrots, mix it together and cook until it is soft, and added the sliced bell pepper. Look at this. And I added 2 pieces of chili, 1 red and 1 green. So this is how I cook my beef steak. And look at this. Look at this, guys. So look at this beef steak. Okay, this is very soft because I cooked this one first in the pressure cooker. Then after that, I transfer here in the pan just to show you how it looks like. So look at this, so yummy, very soft. And I will serve this one with rice. So if you don't eat rice, so you can add this one with potatoes in order to less the carbs. So if you are diabetic or high blood, so just eat the meat and the vegetables or some pieces of potatoes, or you can eat with bread. It depends on you. So this one, I will serve this one with a cup of white plain rice. So this is my premiere for today, guys. This is my beef steak. Look at this. So you have to marinate your meat before you have to cook so that your beef will be yummy, because the ingredients will absorb into the meat when you marinate it first. Then cook the meat together with the sauce until it is cooked, and it looks like this now. Okay, just cook it in slow or a medium heat. Just turn the meat occasionally, then add a little bit water until your meat is cooked and the sauce is already done, and the sauce looks like this already. Okay, not too much water, just do it like this. Okay, so this is a very healthy, yummy beef steak from Leytenia'S Kitchenette. So if you want to learn how to cook other simple recipe and very easy preparation, just click my playlist and you can check all my recipes. Very simple, very easy, and very costless. Walang masyado mga mga ano dyan, mga aborluloy. Mga sahog. Okay? So, this is it. Very yummy. Look at this, oh. Since it is cooked in the pressure cooker, that is why the beef is very soft. And it is very appetizing when you eat the beef together with the rice. If your meat is very soft, because you will enjoy the taste of your beef steak when the meat of the beef is very soft and very appetizing, and you will eat more rice. So it depends on you if you want to eat more rice. Nasa tao lang yan. So just control yourself. Do not eat more rice to avoid become more chubby or become more diabetic, because rice is not allowed for a diabetic person if you eat more. So you can eat a little bit, just 1 cup of rice every day. It's okay, but not more. Okay guys, this is my beefsteak from Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next premiere. And don't forget to like, comment, share. And if you're new to my channel, please do support by subscribing and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my videos. Maraming salamat. Buhut-buhut syukriyad. Dankeschön. Shukran jasilan. Efarestopuli. Bidang. Come on. Chichi. And Efarestopuli. Maraming salamat. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Buen gracias. Mi amigas, mi amigos. This chili, you can eat also this one. This is a little bit spicy, so it adds the appetizer for your beef. Okay? Many of us like to eat chili, but this one is not so extreme. It is just mild chili. Okay, you see it's already soft because I put this one on the top. So this is my beef steak. Masarap siya guys. So yummy, yummy. Yummy and healthy. Woohoo! This one is good for 1 person, okay? This one. Actually, this is 500 grams, these 2 pieces. I did not slice anymore. Just as is like this. So it becomes small when it is already cooked. So this is all for today, and thank you for watching this premiere, and see you again in my next premiere guys. Same time, 11 o'clock Germany time, 5 o'clock Philippine time. Okay, just check your time difference if you are living in another country. Ciao! See you soon. Bye-bye. Keep safe and God bless everyone.